Okay, well, welcome to the EasyGate programming by SMS video. Just wanted to touch base, show you how to program this EasyGate. Basically, you put into the to section of your messaging the phone number for your EasyGate. I've just got, obviously it's a test SIM, so we've got that number there. And then you type in simply EG for EasyGate with a space, C and F for configure, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is the passcode. Then what we want to look at is, what are we going to program? We're going to program the number the EasyGate reports to. So that is parameter number 714. Type in equals, then we want to give it a phone number to report to. We are going to use the phone number of our EasyGate test unit, which if you want to have a go and program that at the same time, feel free to. It's connected and live right now. So we're just checking what we've got. EG for EasyGate, space, CNF, space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, space, 714 is a parameter to set the reporting number, equals, and the phone number you're going to report to. Press send. And in about 7 seconds, it will give us a response saying that parameter 714 has been programmed as per our request. There we go. Configuration OK. And a lot of other information about the status of the battery, power, the IMEI, and the signal strength. So next thing we want to look at is programming the site address. So same thing. EG in capital letters, C and F for configure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your passcode, and this time we're looking at 968 as the parameter, equals, this time around we need some brackets. Everything inside the brackets will be displayed as your site address. So we're putting the Elephone address, being number 4, Columbia Court, Norwest, NSW with some brackets. Now, double check what you're going to do. EG space CNF space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 space 968 to program the site address, equals, bracket, for Columbia Court, comma, Norwest, comma, New South Wales. Close the brackets. Everything inside the brackets is what will be displayed. So double check that and press send. 7 seconds later, you'll get the message again to say it's been confirmed. Obviously what's been confirmed is the information for Columbia Court Norwest. Now if you look back at your screen, you realise, I've made a mistake here. It should have been 3 Columbia Court, or I spelled Norwest wrong. Simply go in and just do it again. EG space CNF space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and equals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 space parameter number 968 with an equal sign. Then we need our brackets and our address, number 4, Columbia Court, Norwest, NSW. Close the brackets and press send. Hey, if you realise, oh, made another mistake. I should have put the postcode, or I wanted to put some other information. Lift number. Just do it again. There we go. It says it's okay. It's being configured okay. So we want to look at the battery status. So we'd like a report on the battery status. So we put in EG, capital, EasyGate, CNF, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with a space. This time it's parameter number 962, type equals number 1. Press send. It should come back in about 7 seconds to say they're happy with that. Once again, it's been configured okay. So let's look at the next parameter for the power failure reports. This is the report. This is a status of the battery. So if your power fails and you would like to know 5 minutes after the failure, you'll type in 5 for the setting. If you want to know 30 minutes after, you type in 30. So the idea is that the power may go out for a period, but it's not going to report to you until the period is long enough to be concerned. So that parameter is, once again, EG for EasyGate, CNF, and the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 passcode, parameter number 963, and equals, this is in minutes. So the amount of minutes after the power goes out that it will report to you. So let's put in, say, 60 minutes, which means that if you've got 10-hour battery backup, you've still got 9 hours to go, plenty of time to get to site and figure out what the problem is. On the upside is, if the power comes back on within 60 minutes, you won't know about it. You don't need to know about it, and business as usual. Oh, by the way, you will actually get a message to say that the power has been restored. So the next thing we want to look at is the intervals of the reports. So that is, once again, EG space CNF space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we want to look at the parameter number 967 and equals. We're setting this to 1 as a sample. This is the amount of days it will report. So if you'd like a report every day, type in 1. If you want a report every 7 days, type in 7. If you want a report every 30 days, type in 30. But for us, we're just choosing to have a report every day because they're an important customer. We just want to keep an eye on things for them. It will also give us back, within about 7 seconds, a confirmation that we've programmed that parameter. And once again, look back and think, oh, hang on, 967, I actually wanted 4 days. Just type in EG space CNF space 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 space 967 equals and the parameter you'd like. So that's about all we've got for today, and all the best with your EasyGates. There'll be some more information coming shortly, and hope you enjoy your new products.